Turbo Tim from ZZPerformance here with a customer's 2015 CTS-V Sport, which is very, very similar to the ATS-V. The engines have very small differences, like the rods and the turbos are slightly less fancy. One cool thing about this car is it is the highest mileage LF3, LF4 that I've dynoed. It's well over 100,000 miles. GM rates this car at 420 crank horsepower, so that will probably put it in the mid-high 300s stock. This car has what we consider our Stage 1 kit, which is our cold air intake, downpipe, and tune. And he opted for our Catback and our larger fuel pump lobe and valve springs. Let's see how it does.